If you fail to plan, then you plan to fail. Let's understand this particular statement, and so let's plan. So I'm going to give you a plan that you need to follow to clear your exam for NEET 2022. Let's start day wise and hour wise. So we are going to talk about the plan for every day and every hour. Let's see what we need to do. Now, there are some common factors for every day, like daily wake up time. Take it up to 6:30 a.m. Daily sleep time. Let's say that's going to be 11:30 p.m. so that you actually get 7 hours of uninterrupted, nice, beautiful sleep. Getting up the everyday schedule, 6:30 to 7:30, get fresh and do 15 minutes of light exercise. Nothing very strenuous, a bit of yoga or Surya Namaskar or whatever you feel like, maybe a light exercise. Do not tire yourself. That needs to be very important. 7:30 a.m. is breakfast, and that's compulsory. You are not going to skip the breakfast. You have to have a proper, full, nourishing breakfast. 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. chemistry. 10:15, 12:15 p.m. biology. 12:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. physics. You may interchange these subjects, but I would suggest that don't do chemistry and physics together. Put in between biology, because biology is going to be a little lesser strain on you. The students, they tend to have physics the most strenuous subject and chemistry less than that. But biology seems to be a little comfortable. So you can do it. So that means you simply have to have 2 hours of each subject. Then 2:30 p.m. lunch. Again, not to be skipped. You have to follow it and you have to do it. 3 to 4 p.m. rest. Yes, it is important. You have to rest for some time. 3 to 4 p.m. 1 hour rest is good enough. You may comfortably sleep, have a slight nap. You may need to discuss with your friends, but please, I would sincerely request that this 1 hour is not for video games. Don't do that. Don't strain your eyes any more than what is required. 4 p.m. to 8 p.m., you can go ahead with one complete test, full syllabus complete test. That can be done. Please understand we are giving this schedule for the students who have already finished off their complete course. So that's what we have as one complete test. This is going to have physics, chemistry, botany, and zoology, the complete 200 questions. So you can have all these tests. You can use the test given by NTA Abhyas, or you can take the test for any other institute or maybe an academy tests. 8 p.m. dinner. And then after dinner, 9 p.m. to 11 p.m., you are going to do revision of what is done in the day and cover up on mistakes. You might have committed lot many mistakes in whatever you were doing, so you need to cover up on those mistakes. 11 to 11:30 p.m., a 10-minute meditation. Wash your face, change clothes, a warm glass of milk, and go to sleep at 11:30 p.m. That is how you are going to do it. It is suggested that you finish one chapter of each subject every day, which includes the questions. The morning time can be utilized for theory with some included questions, while the evening time is purely for questions. Remember, questions can be done mechanically, but theory needs fresh mind. So it is better that you do theory in the morning. Okay. Keep the food light and fresh. Avoid heavy, oily, and spicy food. I would suggest you follow Satvik Bhojan. That is going to keep your tummy nice and you refreshed. Do not skip any meals. If you need, you can take slight snacks, and better still, let's have the snacks home cooked, fresh, and light. Please avoid chips and heavy, oily, salty foods, specifically those which have Ajinomoto in them. Avoid playing games on mobile or PC. Your eyes are already strained. Give them rest during the break. And make a group of friends with which to share progress and problem. Keep just 10 minutes a day of your rest time to catch up with friends. And I would suggest do not discuss about three things: politics, religion, and studies. Yes, I would say not to discuss the studies in these 10 minutes. Just you can simply ask how they are going to do and what they are having for food. Have your food with the family and not alone. Discuss your problems with your parents and teachers. Obviously, not at the food time. You are not going to discuss it with your teachers at the food time. But yes, I would suggest have the food nicely with your family and then you may discuss your problems if you are facing any. Follow this routine. It might work wonders for you. All the best.